Crystal, Sharky, Lion Guy, Man Crystal, and Scuba. Then second, scan into the game, and then battle bad guys and win. It's available for App Store and Google Play. And then I got a little one right here. These little two guys. Same thing. Manza McGo and Pumpkin Crystal. And scan into it and play bad guys available for App Store and Google Play. First up, we're gonna open this one. We're gonna play this. I'm excited. Maybe we'll get some gameplay. Simple, you get the little instructions. Let's build these characters. Okay. So easy. Just connect them. Press have. Okay, if attack goes on. There's this little hat. I think I got it in the wrong. Yep. It's supposed to go like that. But here we go. There we go. That's MC McGo. Looks like she's got something right here. Little trophy on the back side here. I don't know what that goes to, but yo, brick of starter. I'll find out what that is. Oh my god, the punk rockers already built with a chain. Those two are open. Oh, this is a they win, and whoever is the best player wins. And then you can mix and match them. See, look, I wanted punk rock to be MC McGo rock. I can. Or if I wanted him to wear this. See, look. He looks like that. And that's the first bit. And that is a mini pack. There is the little one right there. So we get MC McGo and Punky Cooster. Let's see what this little thing is. A little placo for him. Oh, there's telling you information about Footprint. And all the characters you can collect. Let's look at them. Fancy Frenchcore, Night Rat, Sharky Gunza, Bumbuzer, Rusty Nuggets, Al Boobat, Mystery McGo, Punky Cooster, Maywe Kusa, Person Stream, Best Stuff, Dino Biter, Shadowbot, Major Blazer, Pirate Guy, Obfuscated, Rubica, Negative Nut. Sorry, these are really hard to read, so just little poster about the information about the little things you could collect. Now we're gonna open this one. Ooh, and I got ice black cherry. To get my sinuses because I just got over cold, guys. I've been having a cold since Wednesday. It's Monday, so I'm almost gone. It's over. This. Hopefully we'll get more of these. Okay. See, look, this one looks like an Optimus Prime right here. It's got a little blaster thing. And again, their heads come off, but I don't have time to the Optimus Prime look here. If you want to see gameplay, I'll game with the little bot guy. If I can get this one out, you got the Dino guy, and then we got the, let's see, we got the Lion Knight guy. Oh, there's one more, but I cannot build this one. Put it aside for now. I'm gonna build this one. I need 2 bricks in this one and 6 this one.
Sam dislocated my breastbone. And look what she did to my sweet hair. Oh, we found some of it. Give him the clump.
And I guess we want to know that's just the same thing as the other thing. And we got one more.
Life was better for everyone before Sam and Freddy coupled up. No. But I still don't feel right about wrecking their relationship. Then let us wreck it.
Tell us what you know.
Give in to your anger. Okay. Freddy didn't get into that new electronics research and development camp because Sam sabotaged his application.
How?
What did that little scrunch do? She changed a bunch of his answers.
Wait, if Sam's so in love with Freddy now, why would she crush his little nerd dreams?
She did it like 4 months ago, before they coupled up.
And here's a little Shark Crusher guy. So we got Shark Crusher, like a Lion Knight, Dino Biter. Okay, let's see. Scuttlebot, Optimus Prime, McGull, Punk Rocker, Nuclear Brick, Star Brick, and Robot Brick. If you want to get information of Sick Bricks, you can go to your local store and download it on the Google Play and Apple Play Store. This is Sick Bricks, second unboxing. Hope you see more unboxings in the future. Bye. This is what you can collect. The Sick Bricks. Bye bye.